Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'awudhu billahi minash shaytanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة الأعراف قال اهبطوا بعضكم لبعض عدو ولكم في الأرض مستقر ومتاع إلى حين. Translation: Allah said, "Get down from here, you being enemy to one another, and for you in the earth is the place for settlement and livelihood for a specific time." In the previous ayah, we studied that when Adam alayhi salam and Hawa alayhi salam did that mistake and ate from that tree, and when their private parts were exposed and they knew that they have done a mistake, they repented to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala right away and said that we have wronged ourselves, O Allah, and if you do not forgive us and bestow your mercy upon us, then we will be surely among the losers. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgave them. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent them to the earth. Not only Adam and Hawa alayhi salam, but also the Iblis al-La'in was sent to the earth. And in this ayah, what is recited today, the scholars have said that this is an address to Adam and Hawa alayhi salam and Iblis. So the earth is made a place for the enmity of Iblis al-La'in and Adam and Hawa alayhi salam. One thing should be understood, that Adam alayhi salam and Hawa alayhi salam did not start any enmity, and the Iblis al-La'in started the enmity by becoming arrogant and by feeling superior to Adam alayhi salam, and this caused so much jealousy in his heart that he became the worst enemy of Adam alayhi salam and Hawa alayhi salam and their children. And he had decided to make all the children of Adam alayhi salam and Hawa alayhi salam stray from the straight path, so that they can burn in fire alive forever in the hereafter. And any enemy in this world like this is hard to find, who wants us to burn alive in the hereafter forever and ever. So we must also consider him our biggest enemy. He remained jealous and also arrogant, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave the Khilafat to Adam alayhi salam. Also, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned in this ayah that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made the earth a place for humans' settlement, and also He has created all the things needed in the earth for the human beings. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, قال فيها تحيون وفيها تموتون ومنها تخرجون. Translation: He also said, there you shall live and you will die in it, and then from it you will be brought out and raised to another life. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent Adam alayhi salam and Hawa alayhi salam to the earth, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created everything that is needed for Adam alayhi salam and Hawa alayhi salam and their children. And if we ponder, all the human requirements are coming from the earth. Even when we are in the wombs of our mothers as an embryo, all the things needed is coming to us through the uterus of our mothers, and we get all the nutrition from mother, and our mothers get all the nutrition from the earth. And when we come in this world, we get all the nutrition from the earth, and then when we die, we are buried in the earth and we become a part of the earth, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will get us out from the earth in the hereafter. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and save us from the tricks of shaitan. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalam.